Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, responding to a comment that you have left me in relation to a video I made about a defective tensioner pulley, which was tensioning the crankshaft pulley. I'll leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. I'm going to show you a bit of that video to explain it. Look, this is the tensioner pulley that has bad bearings. And you see the crankshaft pulley, there you see how it is dancing, how it is moving. And this is because it carries excessive tension, precisely due to a failure in this part. Look at this part, it is the tensioner pulley, and by having bad bearings, what is causing it is a greater load of work to the engine. Someone has written, to see if this could cause the engine to consume more fuel. Yes, of course, the more workload you add to the engine, the more fuel consumption you are going to have, and not just consumption of fuel. This extra workload, because this is breaking the auxiliary belt. What it is also doing, is breaking the engine, because it breaks the crankshaft, it puts more resistance on it. Not only increase in fuel, but also loss of power, and this, especially in smaller engines, is much more noticeable than in larger engines, but it takes away power from all of them. As I say, it takes away power and also increases fuel consumption. Furthermore, this tension also affects other parts of the engine, such as the alternator pulley. We have already seen on some occasions that after a while making noise, because many times the car is brought to the workshop when the noise is already unbearable, but at that moment, well, it has already seriously affected the alternator pulley. Sometimes it has even bent the shaft of the alternator, or that of the power steering pump, for example. We have also seen it. As I say, it also affects a lot to the pulley that transmits the force of the engine, which is the crankshaft pulley. If you watch the video again you will see how it moves, how it is dancing. Due to excessive tension, to think that this crankshaft pulley is bolted to the crankshaft, which is creating stress on the crankshaft, and on the crankshaft supports themselves. As I say, these things, when you start to hear them, to hear these noises, go to your workshop. Well, if you know how to do it, you can change it yourself also. But if not, go to your trusted workshop to have it changed, because this, in the end, leads to more serious problems, and if this is detected at the beginning and solved, then the problem is solved from the beginning. If no, this is going to affect more parts of the engine, and you are going to have much more serious problems later. Be careful with these things. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.